Hello everyone, and welcome back to Growing with Grace. Today we're going to unbox a gift from Nana. It is the Fisher-Price on-the-go baby dome. So let's get started. All right, we got this gift from Nana, the on-the-go baby dome. Our safety inspectors are coming through to check everything. Got to count on the canine safety inspectors. This one's Katie. Hi, Katie. Katie was Nana's dog, so when Nana went to live where she lives now, she couldn't have Katie, so Katie came home with us. So she lives here with Lily and Leah. Lily's the other Yorkie, and Leah is a miniature Australian Shepherd. All right, that's Leah. Leah, go on. Go on. No. Go on. Go on. And this is Lily. This might be the simplest unboxing yet. All right, from Fisher-Price, on-the-go baby dome. Let's see what all we got here. And let's see, it looks fairly simple and straightforward. Okay. It does say that never add a pillow, comforter, or another mattress for the padding. Use only the pad provided by Fisher-Price. Okay. Here's all the parts. Pretty straightforward. We got a couple of toys. Two of these parts, which I think they're we'll have to figure it out. I think they're the two legs there, but we'll see. All right, so take these pieces. Okay, that's pretty easy. And there you have it. Now, just for your knowledge, it does come with a removable sheet on the pad so that it can be easily washed from the accidents babies will have. There's the actual dome part. And then it does come with toys, but you know, you have your own dangle toys. There you go. The on-the-go baby dome from Fisher Price. Like I said, there's a canopy can go up as such, which is pretty good. You can just like that. Now if you want to travel, let's see if we can figure this one out. All right, see there's a big red button right here that locks it in. Press that. And there you go. Pretty easy to carry. And there you have it. I think she likes it. I think she likes it. Definitely room to grow in. Look forward to her being able to play with the toys there. So thank you, Nana. And that about wraps it up. That's a pretty straightforward unboxing. If we have more like that, I am definitely grateful. So thank you for joining us again here at Growing with Grace. And if you want to stick with our journey and see how we're doing regularly, I encourage you to subscribe, hit the bell to be notified when there's new videos, and if you like it, give it a thumbs up so other people who are interested in watching babies grow and the challenges that go along with that, we'd really love to share our experience with them. And let me know what you think about this on-the-go baby dome. If you have one, leave a comment. Did you run into any problems? The only thing that I saw in it was those legs. You really have to pop them out to get them out there, and it takes a little bit of effort. So I'm guessing that that'll loosen up over time, but that's it. So until next time, live life. Don't let life live you. Say bye, Grace.